Well, it's healthcare for everyone at Promise Healthcare. Sponsoring our segment today, we're here now with Ginny Dobb, a certified pediatric nurse practitioner. Thanks for having us.
Thanks for coming.
Okay, so Promise Healthcare has a presence right here within the Urbana School District. We're at the middle school and high school. I did not even realize this was a thing.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about what a school-based health center is and what they have to offer.
Okay, well, a school-based health center is just a health clinic that's located either inside of a school, like ours is here at the Urbana High School, or we can be located nearby school districts, providing services to the districts that are students at the school.
And so is it just strictly for Urbana students? Is it open to anyone in Urbana or in the surrounding communities?
It is open to everybody, so you don't have to be a student of the Urbana School District to utilize our services.
Let's talk services. Being a healthcare center, are they the typical services you would provide anywhere else?
So at this location at the Urbana High School, we have medical services, so we provide primary care services for children. We can do physicals, immunizations, we can be your primary care home if you'd like us to be. We also have mental health services here at the Urbana School Health Center, and we have a mental health therapist and a mental health nurse practitioner here.
Do parents have to be involved with coming with their child to Promise Healthcare here in Urbana, or how does that work?
So we need parental consent for patients to be seen, so we do need consent forms signed for the children, but after that, since we're on a campus with the middle school and the high school, we have 6th through 12th grade here on the site with us, and so they do not have to have a parent with them to come to the visit. They can come on their own.
Okay, and I know, having teenagers myself in high school, there are some sensitive areas that maybe they don't want to discuss with me. What's the confidentiality like? If they have to have their parental, to get in, how does that work? Do they need to be concerned about that?
They don't. So that's part of one of the perks of a school-based health center is that we're here at the school for the kids. So the minor consent law in Illinois enables children 12 and up to consent to their own reproductive health care and to their own mental health counseling sessions for up to 8 sessions. So anyone 12 years and older can sign their consent form and can seek reproductive health care, which includes like if they need pregnancy testing or need to discuss birth control options. STD testing is available here as well. So we can do all of that. It's all completely confidential. Students will just ask for a confidential visit with us, and we're not allowed to talk to anybody about what happened in that visit except for the patient.
Okay. School physicals, sports physicals, immunizations, also something that you provide here?
Correct.
Okay. You touched a little bit on the mental health thing. Is that something that we're seeing kids needing more help with?
We have. Being a school-based health center, we do a global risk assessment tool for each patient annually, and that's just a fancy way of saying that we assess their lives for any area of risk. So if they're being bullied at school, if they're having problems with depression or anxiety, if they're having suicidal ideation, we are able to discover that and help respond to it. And since we do have mental health counseling and a mental health nurse practitioner on site, we're able to respond to those right here.
Yes. Is this somewhere where people can just walk in? Do we need to make an appointment? How does that work?
We do typically have scheduled appointments, but we almost always have the availability to squeeze people in as needed. So if somebody has to walk in, we can typically squeeze them in for that visit.
I honestly had no idea that this was here at a high school, which just seems brilliant. You're actually expanding. You're opening some other locations as well. Where can people find you now?
Yes.
Coming soon.
Promise has a school-based health center at Ader Junior High in Rantoul. And we're going to be opening in the coming year a school-based health center in Champaign as well.
Very good. All right, so if people are needing to make that appointment to get in, maybe they want to be seen, do that online, call, what's the best way?
Yep, either way is great, yes.
All right, this is such a valuable asset here in the community. If somebody wants to get involved, help you all out, you are a nonprofit, is that right?
We are, yes. So being a nonprofit, we see patients of all income levels, whether they have insurance or health insurance or not. So we do accept donations if community wants to get involved and offer donations for Promise Healthcare.
Very good. Well, such a great asset here in the community for our students and families, and we appreciate you having us.
Thanks.
All right, if you want to learn more about Promise Healthcare, who we do appreciate sponsoring our segment today, we'll connect you with them after today's show at ciLiving.tv.